Hello guys, for this time I will explain about how to make a collage on your Instagram story, okay? Before I start, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. Open Instagram and then go to the story and then choose the camera. After that, you choose, for example, in here how to make a collage on Instagram, and then you just click the sticker and then click this. After that, you choose your photo to become a collage, and then you just tap a picture to change a shape or format, just like this, and then add the other picture. For example, and then tap again to change the format. So that is the way how you can make a collage on Instagram story. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you.